Okay, in this lesson we're going to be expanding brackets. Let's just remind ourselves of expanding brackets, the sort of most simple form. So the first one, expand 5 times x plus 4. This literally means 5 times x, and then we're doing positive 5 times positive 4 to give positive 20. This next one here, 2x times 3x. 2 times 3 is 6, x times x is x squared, and it's positive 2x times positive 7y, which is 14xy. Okay, we're going to expand and then simplify by adding like terms. So 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 4 is 12. We're adding 5 times x. Now this time it's positive 5 times negative 2, so that gives us negative 10. We're going to add like terms. I'm going to put a circle around those because they're like terms, and we're going to add the numbers together. So 3x add 5x is 8x, and 12, positive 12, take away 10 is positive 2. This next one, we just have to be a little bit careful. Whenever we see a negative sign in the middle here, we know we need to be a little bit careful. 4 times 2y is 8y. 4 times 1 is 4. Now we have negative 3 times positive y, which is negative 3y. And this is where we have to be particularly careful. This is negative 3 times negative 2, which is positive 6. Adding like terms, the 8y added to the negative 3y, which is 5y, and then the 4 add the 6, which is 10. Okay, so we've now come into the double brackets. What it basically means is that everything here is going to be multiplied by everything here. We're going to simplify at the end. Okay, I'm actually going to use two methods here. I just want to show the grid method first. So let's have x plus 2 and let's have x plus 3. Doesn't actually matter the order that we do it in. Okay, so x times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. X times 3 is 3x. And then positive 3 times positive 2 is positive 6. Okay, we're going to get like terms there. So we've got an x squared term. 3x plus 2x is 5x, and then we add the 6 there. So the answer is x squared plus 5x plus 6. Now we could have just done it like this. X times x is x squared. And then x times 3 is 3x. Then we head to the 2. 2 times x is 2x. And positive 2 times positive 3 is 6. Excuse me. X squared plus 5x plus 6. And obviously we get the same answer. Okay. I'm not going to use the grid method this time, though we can, of course. So x times x is x squared, and x times negative 3 is negative 3x. 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. We can add these like terms, and that gives us negative 3x at 4x is positive x minus 12. Okay, we're going to multiply here. I'm actually going to, some of you may have come across the idea of FOIL. And these letters stand for first, outer, inner, and last. Okay, what does that mean? Well, the first terms in both brackets are the x and the x, and x times x is x squared. the outer terms. This one's at the outer term and this one's the outer term, and that gives minus 5x. The inner terms are these two here, that's negative 2x, and then the last terms in both brackets is negative 2 times negative 5, which is positive 10. So x squared minus 7x plus 10. Okay, this is a special case, and we're going to see that the final answer looks a little bit different to the previous ones. So x times x is x squared. X times positive 3 is positive 3x. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And then negative 3 times positive 3 is negative 9. And we notice that those inner terms add together to make 0. So our final answer is x squared minus 9. So there isn't that middle term with an x. And in this form, this is called a difference of two squares. Okay, this time we've got a number in front of the x. It's not going to make any difference. So 2x times 3x, well 2 times 3 is 6, and x times x is x squared. 2x times 4 is 8x. 1 times 3x is 3x, and 1 times 4 is 4. We need to add the like terms in the middle. That's going to be 6x squared plus 11x plus 4. Okay, so this is 3x times 4x, which is 12x squared. 3x times negative 5 is negative 15x. Negative 2 times positive 4 is negative 8x. And negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. Adding the like terms in the middle gives 23x. Okay, this is a new topic for the GCSE. We've been asked to expand 3 brackets. Now the trick here is to multiply 2 together and then multiply by the third bracket. It doesn't matter the order that you do these in, but I'm going to leave the x plus 2 there. I've used a square bracket, it doesn't have to be a square bracket, and we're going to multiply x times x, which is x squared, x times 5, which is 5x, 3 times x, which is 3x, and 3 times 5, which is 15. Adding the like terms, it's x squared plus 8x plus 15. Now we are going to expand these 2 brackets, so it's going to be x times everything in the other bracket and then 2 times everything. So x times x squared is x cubed, x times 8x is 8x squared, and x times 15 is 15x. We now go to the 2, so 2 times x is 2x squared, 2 times 8x is 16x, and then 2 times 15 is 30. Okay, we need to add the like terms together. We have an 8x squared and a 2x squared, which gives us 10x squared. We have a 15x and a 16x, which gives us a 31x, and the 30 is by itself at the end. So this is a cubic because the highest power is x cubed. Okay, I'm going to do the same again, expand those 2 and then multiply at the end by x minus 2. So x times x is x squared, x times negative 4 is negative 4x, positive 3 times x is positive 3x, and positive 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Adding the like terms That gives us negative x minus 12. Okay, we're going to multiply this bracket here by x minus 2. First we're going to multiply by x. So x times x is x cubed. X times negative x is negative x squared. And x times negative 12 is negative 12x. Now let's go to the negative 2. Negative 2 times x squared is negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times negative x is positive 2x. And negative 2 times negative 12 is positive 24. Let's add the like terms together. So we've got x cubed. We have a negative x squared adding to a negative 2x squared, which gives us negative 3x squared. We have negative 12x add 2x, which gives us negative 10x. And we have at the end positive 24.